Hi everyone, so Nick here from Code with Grace, and I'm going to take you through a little bit of HTML, and I'm going to build a simple web page using HTML, which gives you the structure, well, the content of what's inside the web page, the bare bones, and CSS will give you styling. So there's a separation of concerns. The HTML I'm going to use for what's actually in my web page, the CSS I'm going to use for how to style it. So I'm going to build it around this wonderful picture of a running yak, which I found. So it's going to be a yak page. I'll show you how I go about doing that. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to, in Terminal or in Git Bash in Windows, I'm going to cd into this location where my yak picture is, and then I'm going to create a HTML file, index.html. So touch is the command to create a file, and as I do that, there we are. There's my HTML file, and if I double click on that, it's just a blank file. So let's actually make it look good, or make it look okay. So I'll open it up with Atom. Atom's going to open up. There it is. Cool. Okay. So what we can do is we can go HTML, and we get like an autocomplete here, which we can tab out, and it'll give us a bit of a structure. We'll call this my yak page. And so the head is just the metadata and the information about the site, and any scripts and other things we can put in here. But the body is where the content on our web page is going to be. So let's have a heading, a H1, which is like a big heading. We're going to call it yak page. Now H2 is like a subheading. Let's say famous yak writers. And underneath, let's have another H2. Let's do things I like about yaks. Okay. So what are some other things that I can show you with HTML? Let's say a P, which is like a paragraph. Well, it sort of shows here it's a tag for paragraphs. Say this is a page about yaks and yak writers. Okay, so it's just like a sentence appears by itself there. So that's a P tag. Oh yeah, here we are. Okay, so there's two different types of lists as well that you can do. So you can do like a ordered list, OL, and you can see the beginning and closing tag. So that's got a little slash. That's the opening and closing tags there for ordered list, OL. Within the OL, you can have a list item. So let's say there's Plutarch is a famous yak writer. Let's say Plutarch is another one. And Fritzarch is the third famous yak writer. Now, so this is going to give us a list of item 1, item 2, item 3, because it's an ordered list. And things I like about yaks, we can do an unordered list. And again, we can have a list item within there. So things I like the smell. Nope. The smell of tundra grass. I think that's how you spell tundra. Another thing I like about yaks is the horns. Another thing I like is the noise they make. Yak. Okay, cool. So this is an unordered list, so this will just appear as bullet points. What else? That's enough to get us started. So let's just see how that's going to look. Open up that web page. There you are. Okay, so this is a page about yaks and yak writers, famous yak writers. Hang on. Where am I? Sorry about that. I'll find the code. Here we go. Okay, there we are. You can see I've got most of that going. Okay, so the only thing that I can do now, which is going to be kind of a cool thing to do, is I can add my image. So let's do that. img. Now I had a file here, I think it's called yak.png. yak.png, yakpic. Alright. And now what I can do is just refresh this. There we are. So that's my basic web page. Okay, that's probably enough to get you going now, but then later on we might think about how we go about styling this. Okay, now I will stop that there.